Hi guys, Spartan here. In this video I'll show you how you can enable HDR but not have the colors look so washed out and dull. So the first thing you want to do is you want to enable HDR in settings. Now when you enable it, I immediately see that the colors are very dull, faded away, or sorry, faded. So you want to download a utility called Color Control, which I'll have in the link in the description. And before you start, you want to download and install this ASP.NET Core runtime and the ASP.NET Core desktop runtime. So these two, the desktop runtime and the core runtime. Once you've installed them, you want to run control as admin. Let me close everything up. You might get two warnings in the beginning saying LGTV not present. Yeah, there we go. Just ignore these. And then you're going to want to go to options and then color profiles. Create HDR color profile. Now make sure your monitor is selected here. And then you want to set the primary source to Windows. I'll just use the down arrow key. And then the color gamut, you want to set it to Rec 2020. Now you're going to set the brightness of SDR to whatever your monitor's maximum brightness is. So in my case, it is set at 750 and it is SDR. And then you're going to want to do generate. So you'll notice the colors change immediately when you do generate. Now, the last step is you want to go to your NVIDIA control panel. And then you want to go to desktop color settings. Increase the brightness there somewhere around 72%. Of course, this is subjective. Depends on how bright you want your monitor to look like. You can go all the way, but this is way too bright. So I think 72 to 75 is a good value. Contrast, you can play around with it, see what looks best to you. I'm just going to settle for 60%. You can play around with these, see what you like mostly, but this should take care of the brightness and dullness of the image. Now, of course, you can increase the brightness, the digital vibrance a little bit if you like colors to be more punchy or less punchy. Let's see, this looks good. Around, I'd say about 70 should be good. Now we hit apply. Now finally, you want to go to display under system settings, display, and then scroll down to, or click on HDR. Then you scroll down, and here also you have another brightness slider if you really want things to pop. So yeah, 100%. I think 80% looks very bright, not overexposed. So yeah, this is a good value. Of course, this will differ from monitor to monitor, but this should get you started.